In network theorems, there are two important rules. One is voltage divide rule and another is current divide rule. So many people will confuse over here. So how we have to use voltage divide rule, and when we have to use voltage divide rule, and when we have to use current divide rule, like that. So suppose if you take a series circuit, here it is a series circuit, it is a series circuit, two resistors are connected in series. So now here the voltage divides. In series circuit, the voltage divides. The voltage divides in series circuit. And the current is constant. So here the current is constant. So the voltage drop over here is V1 and the voltage drop here it is V2. If there are multiple resistors, then there will be multiple drops. Here, if you want to find out V1, so that means suppose if you want to find out VR1, then the simple rule is, suppose if you consider it as a VT, so that means total voltage. So VT into the same resistor by total resistance, that means R1 plus R2. Okay, so if you want to find out the voltage drop at R2 resistor, then you can write it as V into the V total resistance into the same resistor R2 by the total resistance R1 plus R2. Okay, so this is the simple rule that we can use it for finding the voltage drops. Suppose if you want to find out the current divides in the parallel circuit. So here I1, it is I2. So if you want to find out the current at resistor R1, then you can write IR1 is equals to, here this is different. Here we use the same resistor. So we have to multiply the total current. So if you consider it as total current into opposite resistor R2 by R1 plus R2. And if you want to find out the current at R2, so then IT into R1 by R1 plus R2. So this is the simple voltage and current divide rule we use in the many circuits. Thank you.